All right, so what we have here is the Bulletpoint mounting solutions for cell phone mounting. The reason I ordered this bad boy right here is because I quickly realized after owning the Jeep for a little while, an issue that I had with the Gladiator several years back, and that's there's nowhere for me to put the daggum telephones at for me and my wife. I usually don't use a phone mount. I don't like them at all. I don't like having a phone right in front of my face, but I mean, I guess as long as it's off, it really doesn't matter, and you got the benefit of if you use Onyx off-road or something like that when you're out on the trails, you can have your phone up there side mounted, or like if you're riding the trails, you can mount your phone up there and be able to video some of your trails, you know, if you guys would like videos like that. Most important is just to have the phone out of my pocket and up there on these mounts. So what I chose was their Picatinny rail phone mount solution. A couple of sweet stickers in here. And it's just Picatinny rail that goes across in the Jeep. So you can mount stuff all along through there. So the reason I went with this one instead of just the side to side is because this gives you the option. They're almost the same price, and this gives you the option to be able to mount several things in the future. If you want to mount GoPros or something like that later on, you definitely could. So it comes with this little key. I think it's called the F tool that you can use to lock stuff down. All the bolts and hardware and stuff that you need. This will be one Bulletpoint ball. This right here in one of the mounts. Let's take a look at the MagSafe mount. Now I didn't get the charging mount. My wife kind of wanted me to get the charging mount, but you got to run a cable to it anyhow. So I might as well just plug the regular cable in and just have it on here. So this right here, MagSafe phone holders, and these MagSafe magnets are pretty strong on iPhones, I have learned. I got a lot of friends of mine that use the MagSafe phone holders in their vehicles, and they've always liked them, so now I get the chance to do it. So first things first, couldn't be any easier in these Jeeps to mount this stuff up, because they pretty much mount to factory bolt locations in the Jeep itself. So we'll go over here to the Jeep, and I'll get the rubber mats pulled up out of there, and we'll get this thing mounted. All right, so I can't really find a good place to mount this camera up that I'm using, so I'll just have to hold it. But you'll just get you a pick tool or something, remove these little rubber inserts here, and you'll see they have the bolt holes right there. Couldn't be much easier. I'll get this rail in place. Mounts in those holes just like that. Let's get these bolts in here. All right, we got a OCD plug screen protector coming in too to get rid of all this stuff. We'll cover that in a later video. Make sure this is pretty centered up. And they got little felt rubber pads on the bottom of this to keep you from damaging your dash. I'm glad they thought of that. Let's go ahead and run these little screws on down here, just kind of barely finger tight on these inside ones, and then I'll go to the outside ones, and I imagine you don't have to torque these down very tight. Doesn't really call for any ugga-duggas on these. You just want it to where it's, you know, down tight and not coming up. So I'll get the rest of these tightened down so you don't have to suffer through watching me do that, and then we'll go over to the bench, try to start assembling some of the hardware. All right, so here's we got all the pieces put out here. What we're gonna need, we can go ahead and mount the ball up here. We'll just slip that in, just kind of barely get it in there to where it's holding the ball. Matter of fact, I'll put both ends in, go to the Jeep with that instead of trying to do it all in the Jeep. So we got an end in there. Our ball end that goes on the rail in, and we'll just kind of get that to where they're just kind of finger tight, but still pretty loose. So we can install that. Same thing with this one. I'm gonna loosen it up till we can get this ball in here. I'm guessing these are just extra for the Picatinny rail attachments here. And then this is used on these. Take this bad boy and really crank these things down. So we'll take this stuff over into the Jeep and get these installed. So in the Jeep here, if you didn't know, the Picatinny rail, there's actually, you have to line this stuff up just like on a rifle. If you're familiar with rifles, then you're familiar. But there's that little hump where the screw goes through. It has a line up in one of these notches up here on this rail. And that's all the different points you can put it in. Let me turn on the light on this camera. All right, that's better. Now we can probably see. See, there's a little notch there where that goes through. It has a line up one of the notches up here on the rail. So I can go in any one of those points. I'm just gonna put them at the very end, I believe. So the one from my wife's side over here on the passenger side, I've just kind of got it on the end, and I think that'll be sufficient for her. And then I'll go sit in the driver's side where I'm sitting at, and I'll place mine to where it's not blocking anything and not messing with anything on that side. So that's where I kind of tentatively have them at. Like I said, I've always been against phone mounts, and this is going to have my phone just way up here blocking a portion of my windshield. So I don't know, I may wind up with it going sideways or something, or get the longer arm maybe so I can drop it down. If I get the longer arm here, I might be able to push it on down a little further. We'll just look at their website and see, and that one would be good for my wife's phone there. And that'll keep it out from in front of the radio and keep our phones, you know, somewhere other than in the cup holder, since there are two of those are floating off in our pocket, which I know we can keep it in our pocket, but it's just annoying, especially when you got to charge it and you got the cable hooked up. I mean, I'm not going to have it in my pocket while it's charging up. So anyhow, that's this video. Bulletpoint mounts. They also make, the same company here also makes some pretty sweet looking mirrors, doors off mirrors that they bolt in. You remove this cover here and the ball bolts in and the mirror comes out. They look super awesome. If we start riding around this Jeep with the doors off a lot, that's probably the doors off mirrors that I'm going to wind up purchasing. But anyway, this video was pretty quick, just like the last couple ones. These are simple little mods, just stuff, trying to keep track of the things that I'm doing here and show you guys how easy it is to put these things and solve some common issues that you have in these Jeeps, being, you know, storage. No storage, ain't but two cup holders, nowhere to put phones and stuff at. So really good solution from this company. I believe these MagSafe phone holders, they have some cheaper ones, but these, I think they're like $65 each maybe. And then it's maybe like 88 bucks for the Picatinny rail. But with the rail, I can put other things on the rail. So, you know, hopefully, you know, later on, if I want to put something else, a GPS or, you know, a camera, a GoPro or something like that, I can put it up there. So thanks everybody for watching this one. Remember, like, subscribe if you can. Share these videos if you get anything out of them. More videos to come on the Jeep and other cool Jeep accessories.